take a look at this brand new computer build I made. If you look at the LED light, it even glows. Look at all that RGB. Now you're probably wondering, what's powering this? Must be a Ryzen, maybe even an Intel, right? So here we go. We got an Intel motherboard. It's a Socket 370. You might be going, Socket 370? Yeah, that's an old motherboard. This is going to be a retro system in a brand new case. So this motherboard's kind of special. We have an AGP slot there for graphics. We have PCI slots and we have ISA slots. It has an amazing sound card in the Sound Blaster AW64 Value Edition. It has an amazing video card in the FX 5700 LE. Custom 3D printed I/O panel. And yes, it does boot. I even managed to fit a Gotek and a slot load DVD. Thanks for watching.